You know, I never really talked to you guys about being legitimate. And I'm not talking about being legitimate as far as like your graphic designs and stuff go. I'm talking about being a legitimate business, actually getting registered. Because that subject is actually very touchy, it's very sensitive. The moment I talk about being registered, what's the first thing that comes into your mind? What's in your pockets? Your financial situation. All of the paperwork and everything else to go along with it. Going to the registering office and actually getting your license and stuff like that. You're always going to ask yourself, can I afford it? And do I have enough time to do it? And all of that stuff is intimidating. It actually makes you feel some type of way. I understand. I definitely understand. But what if the person that you was going to go see actually helped you with that stuff? What if that person that you was going to go see was actually a business owner? Somebody that's relatable. The people's champ. The businessman's candidate. So today what I'm going to do is I'm going to let that person, the candidate for the license collector for St. Louis City, explain to you guys the benefits and how to go about this. And hopefully after this, you guys will feel a little bit better in registering your business and helping your city grow. So with that being said, I'm going to go ahead and let her take this.
Hi, my name is Dana Kelly Franks. I get so excited when people come in and they are ready to start building their dream of owning their own business, and they sit down and they ask for my help, right? So what do we do? How do we start this? My first question, do you have a plan? What would you like to do? What type of business are you starting? Let's start with a person who wants to sell merchandise, for instance. When people are ready to start their business, I like to sit down, I like to see exactly where they are. Some people come in fully ready, fully funded, all ready to go. They just haven't found the building, they haven't found that, that prime location. Some people just need that extra push. That's great. That's almost like the perfect place. But there are some people who know exactly what they want to do in their business, but don't have the funding, don't have a marketing plan, and those types of things. And it's okay to have the perfect idea, but to not have the marketing, because we can't know it all. When I started my business, I didn't know anything about marketing. I didn't know anything about the actual loan process. I'm here to say, though, that those resources are not only just readily available, but there are grants and resources that the access to them are here in our city, especially for people of color who are going into business for themselves. If you need financing for your business, we have in my office help people sit down, help them fill out the application, and get them funded and into their businesses within 60 days. There's always some trepidation when people say, I need credit, I need funding, I need a loan, I don't know what to do. You don't have to be nervous about that. There are grants. When you have special credit issues, there are people who give loans for people with special credit issues, and those are available today. You can have those types of things. It doesn't matter what your credit looks like. There are programs for whomever, whenever. It's just about sitting down with us and filling out the application properly and about how much time you have. So you can have these things for you within 45 to 60 days. I've sat with people ready to start their business, ready to get started. They just need a plan. And there's so much trepidation when it comes to a person who has the perfect product, but they don't have the money to back it. Those things are out there for you. It doesn't matter what your credit score is. There are programs available for you to help you get started in your business. I want to erase all trepidation when it comes to your dreams. It surprised me to hear that there is a grant program for Black-owned businesses only, and they couldn't even give out all of the funds. The fact that they couldn't get rid of all of the funds, it broke my heart. And I wanted to scream, and if I would have known about it, everybody would have known about it, because I know that there are at least 5,000 businesses in the city of St. Louis that could have benefited from those grants, no matter how small. So I'm excited because there's 31 employees at the license collector's office currently, and I would love to get them excited about, first of all, every person that comes in and they're ready to establish in our city of St. Louis. That is exciting. When a person comes in and they're ready to start their business, and they're coming in to get their business license, and they're opening their doors for the first time, whether it's to sell merchandise, whether it's a tech startup, whether they are teaching programming and building apps, we should be excited. We should be excited that they are establishing, that they are hiring, and now building something that again, can reach back to our youth. But also, out of 31 employees, I can't wait to skill those people in wealth tools that can help teach businesses to be sustainable, about real-time grants that are available for tech startups, that are available for programmers and app developers and different things of that nature. Teach them about people who are giving loans for those particular businesses right here in our city of St. Louis. We should know about those. It helps our community as a whole. Teach them about WBE, DBE, and MBE certifications. That is very important, very important. So I can't wait to, again, teach a team of 31 people how to keep our city of St. Louis business owners and the ones we currently have and the ones we will have, how to remain sustainable, how to be successful, and hopeful when they come in to get their business license down in City Hall.
Da